Currently, we have all this information is already there, just redesigned, but we don't have any page behind the three buttons because now is my connection is not so good here.
Strange, because it's working before. But I hear you very good.
It will be okay. I continue here. We have only one link here, and
So if I correctly understand, we don't need any more three links to the pages. Just one link, the mother la solution finder, just this one.
exactly. And previously, we have one page to explain what is PS plat and what is PS polyhedric and what is PS complex. But we don't have any data to this page. And we changed the approach to send the customer to one page like this. This is the solution finder. We explained that's a new page we need to implement.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what you remember the design? We ask the customer which parts do you want? Okay, I wish this one. I continue. And here is a page where the customer can import all the data, drawing, information about project, and he can continue and insert information about the contact. And the last one is a confirmation. Okay, we receive your information, blah, blah, blah. And
I think it's good work for the gravity form. There is wizards like pagers. We can click page, next page, or come back to previous page.
Exactly.
Just not sure about what the formats, because it's data, for example, drawings. It can be AutoCAD or SolidWorks, or it just images. There is lots and lots of formats. I don't know which will be supported.
I need to define with customer, but I think is zip file into the customer attach drawing like.
Because if, for example, if engineers create something, they can send like drafts in some different formats, and I'm not sure if we can support all of them. If zip, it will be better, but then we need to say only zip is allowed, or for example PDF.
Okay, because the server, what's the issue? The user can send, for example, DWG.
I don't know. I need to check. I only use the DVG format when I learned in the university. It was a lot of years ago, so I don't know if it's supported and how it's supported. I need to check.
Okay, but after this, the customer not the willemin code will receive an email with all link, and this is a link to the files.
Mm-hmm.
For example, if I touch SolidWorks drawing, the system allows the user to download SolidWorks. And
I think it will be just attached, and it will be, yeah, probably we don't want to open it. We just need to upload, and then somebody will download it. Maybe yeah, maybe you don't need to recognize the file.
These files never be seen
in the view. Then maybe it's not problem.
Okay, this is the solution finder. Now, if I continue on home page, this already exists. And this is a gallery, this carousel. This is the right word in English, carousel?
Carousel, without Z, with S.
Okay. And they already exist. They need to redesign it. and we had the
arrows.
Yes, exactly.
Should it have a loop, like infinity scrolling, or just after 3 it should stop?
I think is limited to 4 or 5. I'm not sure. It's
Yeah,
not.
but I mean, if I will click, for example, to the left, should it go to the like infinity? After here, should go to the last.
Yes, it's infinite.
Okay.
At the end, they go to the first.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's more simple. Here is a section about, this is a section we have here. This is this. This is an introduction to the know-how blogs.
Mm-hmm.
If you click here, you arrive currently on the summary page. Here, where you can see all articles of this type.
Which belong to some category, and then just show within the category like archive page.
Yes, if I click here,
you go to the single.
Yes, this is a single article, and here I will see all articles in the same category.
Is all, or should we, for example, have 5? Because if we will have 25, it will be like long.
No, is some last.
One? How much last?
Currently, we didn't have money. I think it's 5, and
okay.
5 is here. We will discuss about whole pages. What's the name to or to add next and previous.
Okay.
But currently, I think it's 5 is good.
Okay.
And this is the actual structure. This article exists, the category exists. If I go back, this is the summary of this blog. The art de l'usinage is the know-how of the company. Here we present all articles about why they arrived to build this, and etc. This is all articles to inform the visitor about the performance of this company. And here on page is just a summary. With this button, you go to summary of this blog, and here is an image, and here is the 2 last articles. Now the difference is here. We don't have a big image. We have an introduction, and we go directly to the articles. But no. This is the article for the know-how here. It's listed like that. I think it's only last 3. And after this, it's missing here a button to show whole. But
what means solution 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, solution 0, 0, 2, 2, 3, what it is? It's not header. And
this is the field, one field in the blog.
Field in the blog.
This is a custom field. The user can edit this one because solution is not a number of the articles.
It's just text, or what it is?
No, just text.
So it's not related to any other solutions. It not be sortable or something. For example, not be like category, or just one line of text.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
The people will insert. This is the solution number 2, for example. This is a free content.
Okay.
And this is the summary and link to go to the main page of the articles.
To the single. Okay.
Yes. I'll go to the single.
What this dot means? This red dot.
Where?
In the left corner, in the bottom, there is small circle. So small red dot.
No, this is for us to inform the customer. Here I don't have content. Here I don't have content.
Okay.
Because we need to inform the customer. Okay, that's where we will go. But this information is missing. All is you will see this on many places.
I just need to know what it understands because usually for me it understands that, for example, new messages or something like this, like in Trello, you have in the top near the URL in the browser, you see OSTAP and there is small red dot. It means that the unread messages.
Okay. This is to inform the customer, our customer, not the customer, the customers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because when we make this this Invision app, we need to inform the customer what is the content we have already and what is the content. For example, in this page, we inform our customer, Vilma Macodel, we need to on this article and this article and this article because it didn't exist for a moment.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Pink is job for customer.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And this is another again a call to action. This is the same you see here. This is one. This is a call to action to solution finder. You find here too, and again here too.
Mm-hmm.
Three appearance of this.
Mm-hmm.
And after this, this is the news in events. This is two categories that already exist.
Mm-hmm. I just need to sort them.
Yes. If you want to modify structures and category, that's no problem for us.
Mm-hmm.
They are here currently, news and events.
Can you go back to the design? Should we create some slider or just latest 4?
I don't know. Okay, I will push the questions. To put the comments, you can click here.
Like carousel, we have to some other blocks because, for example, if there will be 10 articles, or maybe we can make like checkbox show on the home page, even better than slider, I think.
Okay, I will ask the art director directly by comments.
Yeah, because for example, have featured post for home will be easier for the customer to have what he want on the front page and not to show some different articles, something not so important.
But your question is that a carousel? That's right.
If carousel, or it can be added like checkbox, show on home page.
I understand. Okay, okay. I understand. You understand. For us, here is the last one.
But show with the checkbox.
No, but your comment is really important because I think there is not the last one, but all is checked in the back office appears on home page.
Yeah, usually customers won't have checkbox because some posts are more important and some not so. And once one more post is added, everything redrawn on the homepage. So not sure.
But some our customers make this and forgot to uncheck the last one.
Yeah, but I can have a double check, for example, not more 4, but the last 4 checked, for example, and it will show 4, but 4 checked the last.
Okay, the 4 last checked.
Yes.
Okay, good idea. I think you can go like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You see, and here is the news, and this section already exists.
Mm-hmm.
This is this one.
Mm-hmm.
In the bottom, the footer a little bit change. It's like that.
Not so.
Okay.
That's more the same.
Exactly. This is the home page. And after this, what changed in application page? I open horlogerie and the same here. This is our redesign. This is the current page, introduction about domain activities, right column, and this is the call to action and information to show distributors in country. And here, this is all parts of the domain activity. Habillage is like a watch and movement, etc. And here is the different, this is one image, and all, for example, is watch, cycle, watch, bracelet. This is application. And now it's a little bit changed. This is the introduction. This is new, but this is a free information to indicate in this domain of activities we work on this type of parts. This is just informative and not linked to the one. And after this, the render is like that. Mm-hmm. It's just redesigned. Mm-hmm. And here, this is the machine. You remember this machine?
Yes, probably machine who is a relative to this. Oh, it's just all machines.
Here is just a machine related to the activities domain. Uh-huh. And we will discuss about machine and structures later, I think, in the next week.
Yes, I think it's a lot of work before the machines, so it's not so urgently. Okay.
Here is a list of machine. The machine where how to define which machine is present here. Mm-hmm. We will manage in our system Nexus.
Okay.
You will read an JSON files, and we send you all information in JSON files. Each machine is present here. Mm-hmm. Okay, and here is another times a call to action to funnel marketing. Mm-hmm.
Probably a little bit the same we already have, just moved in another place. This selecciones water pace, it's probably the same drop down with the countries like we have on the stage. Willemin.
Here is this one currently.
Yeah, I understood. This one.
And this here is a listing of activities domain. The same page we have now, just redesign. Uh-huh. And another, this page exists. This is this one, sector, mm-hmm. Just to redesign it. And here another time, the call to action. Mm-hmm. Sorry, I changed the page. Go back. And this is the horlogerie. We see that. Here the new render. Here the machine. Here two call to action. And here. Mm-hmm. Okay. We see what's changed in all activities domain. Now it's like that. We add image.
But yeah, it's more nice than it was before, probably in InVision. Yes, a little bit nicer images.
Yes, we work with the outdoor here is a little bit is better for us.
Yeah, it's look more nicer than before, definitely.
I will mean is Lina Hernandez.
Uh-huh. I saw in the Trello board in the before. It was attached task to her.
Okay. Okay, I continue. We see application product. The product menu here, machine and technology, change to that. In one menu, I have all the machine here. This is the content. This is the same we have here. If I click on machine, you already order the machine by series. You remember? Okay. But this is the same on the menu. We adjust the name of the machine. And this button here go to the same page we have here, same result. If I click, and this will arrive later. Don't do this.
Okay.
We will do this later. For example, all this information is here. Is not ready now. In this case, we select do not show this for the moment. And this go directly to a machine specific, and this go to a machine page. This page is this one. Currently, we have this. You work before.
Yeah, I sort the machine with the series.
Yes, exactly. And currently is like that. It looks like pretty same, but the design is more better. And over again, the call to action and the newsletters. And O is the machine page, for example. This is the machine page. You remember we worked many times on this.
Yeah, we slide the machine up and down.
Yes. But we need to change something. I think a part of job is redesign of the main styles. A second works is to work on every page where product appears, like machine, listing machine, because many of data come from our systems. I think the project will contain two parts, the redesign and the machine. But I will present you the machine.
Probably not sure if only redesign, because some blocks are good created and some not so. So probably possible that some of blocks need be redo from the backend in PHP also. But I'm not sure which one. But in past I saw some blocks which was very strange done. So maybe I need to redo. But I'm not sure now, and I will not tell nothing more about this. I will tell you once I will work. But be honest, what I already see, it's a lot of pages. Not sure if it's possible to do in 1.5 week. It's a lot of work. Be honest. When should be done this project?
We need to go fast, soon as possible. Normally, next week, at the end of next week, we need to show some page already done. For example, a home page.
You mean so if I will, for example, work and will show you, for example, done home page and then done another page and then another page. The main idea to show that work is going on and not stop.
Yes, you need to work most of possible fast with your and will adapt at this. The deadline is not the end of next week, but is probably 2 weeks.
Because sometimes in the past I already work on the redesign, something similar. That site was a little bit bigger, but it took 1 month. There was a lot of work because some blocks was redesigned, then something changed in code, and it took some time. So probably I need to tell that it's definitely not 1 week for sure. Yeah, but homepage and some pages can be done in 1 week.
we think we push all information in the plan. That's the information we have finished. But on Monday, we define which page you start.
Yeah, sure. I will start with the header, and maybe even better to start with the content on the homepage, because the changes there will be very visible and not so complex. Because the previous header is less complex than we have now, because we in past situation we have just links. In new header we have images and links and different variation of header, and it's like mega menu. There is much more complex work. So maybe better idea to start with blocks, which will be shown like big blocks, and you can say and for example show your customers that part of changing. So
Yes, at the end of the next week, it's good if I can show some works already done, for example, homepage.
I think you can show. Let's have plans this. I will update you daily, and you will understand what is going on.
Okay, because if we see the homepage and the video in place of, because next week we will work here to create a video, and you can attach this video in this place.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay, we will work here hard to finish this video. And if you are right to create this page, looks like this, and one of more pages for us is good. We need to go now and don't stop. But you estimate 3 months to do that?
No, 1 month.
Okay, 1 month maximum.
I have a similar job in past. I just think it will be more faster, but it's a really big site with lot of different pages. And for example, we have one for the machines, one for the blog, one for the home. We have archive for the application, and 2 for the different news, and some call to actions. Also, there is a big part of work with the forms.
But you are right to work on some. How many people you estimate to work on?
I think 2 for start, but I will check how it will goes, because probably in one WordPress site it's probably a little bit hard to work more than one, because there is one admin and pushes. I think that I will work 1 or 2 days my own to understand where the files exist, where is the correct file exist, and then I need to redo. And after this I can divide for smaller blocks. And if I will have, for example, front end for it, and I can work with PHP, it will be more faster. 2, later 3 if needed. Let me not rush with this in the start, in few days in the start, because later will be more to redo than create normally.
I think one people can work on product page, because I will send you most of possible the data to create the content of the pages. And this is typically a separate work, because PHP to read the JSON files and interpret all the data we receive. Can work on style sheet and render.
Yes, I think we can continue to work and to speak about this. For example, in Tuesday, some part of work already will be done for Monday and Tuesday. And for example, Tuesday evening or Wednesday morning, we can speak and carefully prepare the plan, because for now, for me, hard to say how it will and how fast it will go. Maybe it can go really fast in all code. In the SCSS, there is good, and I can check and push. I don't know exactly now.
But okay, I understand. Certainly, we need to make a conference on the next, not Monday after. The next day is Tuesday. That's right. Monday, Tuesday.
Tuesday after lunch or Wednesday morning will be more good estimate from my side, because I will understand how fast it goes.
Okay, but just for my information, you will work on the content already, or will we restart?
I will work on the homepage in Monday.
Yes, no, not about this. Currently, we have already contents and structure and page in WordPress. You will work on or restart?
No. I will check that one which already done, because if I will create new, it will have, if possible, can take more time. But let me say you in Monday, Tuesday. Give me 1-2 days to completely. Now I understand what you want from me and what should be done in the end, and I need carefully check, and then I will answer you. Okay.
Okay. Okay, I stop now here. I think you understand the change.
Yes, I think about more pages and more changes we can work, speak a little bit later, because it's too a lot information in one time, and I,
Okay.
be honest,